28th of June 2021. 28th of June, I think. 3:50 PM. This is Jalan Perajuri, Ipoh Garden East, going to Jalan Bercham to fix the computer Lenovo brand. Wow.
So many durians.
Durian season.
Turn
Durians
left.
that cost 100 over for one. Hey, where got worth buying?
Price has gone up
Exponentially.
exponentially. It's not worth eating.
Yeah, better to.
What about 20 ringgit?
Okay.
For a small one, I think. Durian kangkung ah. Durian Calvin.
Kỹ lọc rồi không? Ok, bạc kỹ ngàn kỹ lọc. Bạc lọc, sập lọc đúng không? Sập hoạt à?
What?
Đeo hoạt.
BG 6. Today is a Monday, cloudy day. See your handphone does not need internet.
It's on. My internet is on.
Huh?
In 200 meters, turn
what do you
right.
call it?
Hey, are you paying money for it?
No.
I think the special one for 5G, 4G, 3G. My handphone cannot do that.
No.
Maybe it's the G's. And no
Turn
free
right,
internet
then
with the
turn
no
left.
G's.
Your thing cannot give you this, yeah? Can ah? Now turn where?
Turn right. My one is not as sophisticated as your iPhone.
Yeah, told you to get one.
No, I want to wait until this dies.
No need to wait until it dies. It's too old.
Okay, your thing telling you to
what's
turn
that?
left.
Turn left.
Either that or you listen to it.
It's the white arrow.
When you're looking at some models, the cheapest one
In
400
300
bucks.
meters, turn right.
For what?
Smartphones
Smartphones 400 is very cheap already. Ours is 1,000 all 1,500.
The one is
And it's only half price.
super expensive, high tech.
It's
I'm looking at the low end.
this one is too smart for me. Price on it and I call somebody already.
The one no use for you.
I don't intend to call one.
Turn right, then turn left. Turn left, then turn right.
Telling you to turn left here. Wants you to go to the other side of the Jalan Bercham, the main road.
Turn right,
You look at
then
the picture,
turn
you get a
left.
feeling of the geography and where you should proceed. Of course, the icon for your car is, don't forget to actually look left.
Turn left,
Look left.
then turn right.
Just now you forgot to look
Turn
left.
right.
You'll be smashing into the car if there is one.
Then turn right, then turn left.
No.
See that computer center blue sign? That's the one.
That's all.
Turn right, then turn left.
Because I dropped my handphone again inside the water.
Casey.
1 or 2 weeks ago.
So?
A bit haywire with the volume down. The button.
What, buy a new one?
No,
Pay for it?
no.
Turn left, then turn left.
Then turn left.
This is the place where they have the Chendo one. Is it here? No, it's not here. Chendo one.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
It's
Then
not the one.
your destination will be on the right.
Petrol station further down is the Chendo thing. In Malaysia, everything looks the same. Not this one. After the pasar mini.
Your destination is on the right.
Ah, that one.
Your
The blue one.
destination is on the right.
Let's go and park somewhere in front of Toyota. Temperature check, no get. Ah, yeah. No parking space. Asshole.
Go and get
Ah,
one
there.
somewhere.
Ah, in front there.
Eh?
Ah, yeah. You want to put the ticket or not? Huh?
No need.
Somebody keeps an eye all the time.
You just have to leave it to them.
Talk a bit, that's all.
No time to. They don't check you then.
Take your handphone. See? It's so easy to use the Google Maps. You want to go somewhere. It just takes a bit of practice. Synchronize your driving with watching the smartphone. Okay, we are back. The machine operator will get in touch with us in 2 or 3 days. See what's wrong with the bloody laptop. Lenovo laptop. This is a Lenovo service provider. Let's go to DIY in Bercham.
Yeah.
At the back. Go straight. Where's your handphone?
What? You need a handphone, meh?
Use the Google.
Use ah.
No. I need to see whether the internet thingy works or not. Since you want to say no internet.
Why?
Say
Okay,
come.
I-
Just gently.
Now I tell you what my internet.
No. Just go into the Google Maps.
No. I on this already mobile data. Close it.
Why you say it's free? What?
I don't know whether it will cost me.
Cost me lah, tons.
Cost you tons ah?
Huh.
Why should it?
It's like
When
this.
it cost me nothing I think
I don't know
I
what's
think,
what's the meaning of your nothing. I don't know how
Okay, I
much.
see how much I have. 44 bucks.
It's been 44 bucks for
Nah,
ages.
I have 42.
You can keep your mobile data on. Keep it on. Let's
Yeah.
see after 1 or 2 weeks and see whether got.
No, I just turn on when I want to use Jam.
Okay.
Okay.
Google
What do you
Maps?
want?
Go to Google Maps.
Google.
Type. Press this one. Type
DIY.
Mr. DIY. MR.
Mr.
Dash DIY. Look at it. Bercham. Nearest one. Bercham.
Bercham.
Okay.
Start.
It's telling you to go.
Telling me to go there.
No, put there. It's not supposed to be like that. How can it be like this?
They tell me after to
It's,
go back.
it does not know your direction. It should be. Wait a minute. Ah, see. Ah. Now it kind of knows.
This here, I think.
It's not like north and south. So you need to go north. Really? Front there can go, right? No need to U-turn. Just go straight. Surely this main road will branch out into the main road. I mean, this side road branches into the main road. We haven't been out for ages, so we can go and have a nice ride.
Oh, mommy. Not so savvy. Not so alert.
Chaoyang
Head southwest.
Vegetarian BSN.
Chaoyang is
In 400 meters, turn left.
I ask you to turn in left. That's weird.
go to the end and turn right into the...
Oh yeah. That's what the picture says.
there. Must be a stop look go.
I had to go so fast in residential area.
Laulina. There's Laulina.
Cheap or not?
You have to ask. You go and ask.
Go and ask them cheap or not.
Turn left.
No.
Then turn
How
left.
much is what and what and what? You want to eat, Mac? I
No.
don't want to eat because I'm going for a vaccination.
Oh, when's that?
This Friday.
This
You going with me? Go
Fri-
with me,
Friday?
Because this Friday.
There's so many days until then. By then you're durian.
You will make me. Okay lah. You want to eat then.
No,
you
go
can
and ask the
buy.
price and I tell you the price. Roadside should be cheap.
No chendol
Oh, chendol. Oh,
No
yeah.
chendol.
This is the place where they have the chendol. Chendol is a lot of suntan.
Nobody wants to come out to eat
Plus it's Monday
Monday
and it's 4 p.m. 4 p.m. normally is from
Turn left.
12 to 2
In 400
p.m.
meters, keep left at the fork.
Durian Bukit Kurau 70 meter. You want to ask?
Bukit Kurau Yeah.
You want to ask?
You want to ask
Musang King. You want to ask?
Black Town also got.
65 ringgit per kilo for
你講16
black.
啊
16? 65 right?
？No, kampung. You want to
Kampung,
eat black don
kampung
meh?
is 16, 17 ringgit per kilo. 1 BG
Will
should
be
be
20 odd,
roughly
ah.
about 20,
20 odd,
25.
and then you find
Small
it's
one.
a soggy or whatever, not
Mm.
黃肉乾包 is useless. You want ah?
No. I did not eat any durians last year, I think. Wait, I did. But super expensive in KL.
Huh? Kampung oh.
It's not kampung, it's super expensive. I think. Might be misremembering. Can't remember well. So expensive nowadays. So
Keep
the
left at the fork.
17 ringgit per
2.8 kilo of 65 times 65.
so 17 ringgit per kilo is very expensive lah.
Oh,
For
kilo
600 meters.
65,
Turn left.
130, $200 one food ah.
black ton.
Oh, yeah.
Black ton
Black ton, so expensive. Even when Ipoh Garden East was around, Black ton was only 90k ma. 1 year lot,
1 year ago,
3 years ago.
2 years ago.
The fella didn't come already, and then fella. You got it, no?
DIY,
Where is it?
Mr.
I'm going.
See the red dot? That's where you want to go. How come the icon is a red car
Turn
somehow?
left. Then
Very
turn right.
confusing. Hey, here lah.
Huh?
Here.
Turn
Yeah,
right.
okay,
Then
turn.
your destination will be on the left.
Motor turn. It's a one way. No, it's not one way.
Yeah, motor turn gay.
I have to wait for the green lights. It's a
What do you want to buy?
Just take a look. That's all. I want to compare the Mr. DIY here in Bercham to the one in Tesco's near Aeon. Just a little bit of play testing. All the Hong Kong songs so nice. It's a Mandarin version of this song.
Take up piano lah, since you're so free. And you have long fingers. You become Tchaikovsky.
I did not become a gigolo even though I have long dick. Turn left, 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 left. Next to this pole. DIY. Let's go and so low-key. Haven't gone out in long time. Go and gallivant.
Why is it I can't go behind?
It's going up. There's a big hole.
It's a big hole lah.
I think.
Can ah?
Your brick lah.
是的，因为最近刚刚推出了一首歌，他是老宝宝，很大宝宝了，然后他就我们可以分享。
The brick was on.
So silly.
So we bought some stuff from Mr. DIY. A shovel for $10, I think. This shovel is $10.
An idea.
10 bucks. Very long shovel. About how long? 1 arm's length. What else? 12.90 crown. 12 ringgit 90 cent crown mouse and burners. And there's a shop that sells pomelo and bananas, so it's cheaper. This one. Bananas.
Hopefully it's good.
8 ringgit for this pomelo.
Oh no, 5 ringgit.
5 ringgit for this pomelo, and the banana is how much?
450.
450. Very thin bananas, but one whole bunch.
This one is Momojiu.
Momojiu, not Cavendish or whatever lah.
Momojiu is 食開唔會有風。
No gas bananas.
What food you want to buy for tonight? Somewhere here. Just now I asked you to go and see the coffee shop behind. 有咩炒？乜啊？
It's up to you. You can drive
Go back.
anywhere.
Go back there.
Oh, this shell is under construction. Oh, buses here, school buses. Schools are closed for how long? No idea. Jalan Persiaran Tasik Timur 5. So the shovel is 10 ringgit. The mouse is normally is 18 ringgit, but it's discounted to 12 ringgit. I use a mouse quite often, change it because the clicker is clicked too many times. Then there's the fire thingy. Two fire thingies. Two lighters. Two lighters with long neck. So I don't need to
Get burned.
yeah, something like that. You don't need the fancy burner like the ones you use. That one's for cooking, caramelizing the whatchamacallit, egg tarts and
This
shit.
one
Nothing much to see at all. What time is it now? 5:04 p.m. It's too early. And most likely you end up eating home cooked food. What's there to see? Nothing. Wonton mee, lemongrass, rendang chicken. This is where we bought the cheap fruits. Cheap.
Okay lah.
Okay. Cheap. Others we go in there. Go into Kampung Baru Bercham and go and take a look. Huh? Go inside there.
Go straight ah? No.
And go inside here. Go in there and take a look. Timing is quite strange now, 5 p.m. It's a nice time, no sun.
Maybe you can buy kai fan that cheap kai fan
Yeah, okay, you can go straight and take a look.
Huh? You want to buy?
No, you can take a look and see whether open or not.
Oh, open for dinner there.
Nope. But we can go straight and take a look. Or do you want to go to the Creamy there and take a look?
The fella not open one. Afternoon already, where got open?
Take a look now. Nothing to do, man. Rarely do we come out. I come out. They extended MCO until when?
Indefinitely until the numbers drop to 4,000 and below.
Okay, go straight. I don't care about your bicycle banning or whatever. I just go out with it. Cannot stand it anymore. You see other people also riding around. The only thing is I don't get to ride after 8 p.m.
Where is this place? Turn ah?
Yep,
Yeah.
yep.
Yeah.
Follow the car lah.
Follow which?
Eh?
Hey. Oh, the shop oh.
Yes.
Yeah, I thought.
Perserum Bercham Selatan 2. I'm telling you, it's not open in the for
Evening.
dinner. It's for morning and
Yes ah.
lunch only. Closed already, brown shutter. Restaurant Nasi Ayam Traditional Hoi Nam.
Ile.
Wonder if the bicycle shop is open or not. It's a
You want to buy
bicycle.
bicycle or you want to repair?
I want to look.
Where?
Slow down, slow down.
Where's the bicycle shop?
I guess it's not open. I don't see any bicycles. Turn left, turn left. Ah, the Indian Roja is opening soon.
There.
That's not open, eh? Motorcycle. Stop. Takoyaki, Japanese. Oh, Malay selling. Malay selling Japanese food. Go straight lah. This is not the place where they have the asam laksa. Asam laksa is straight again. That's only in the afternoon lah. Evening, I'm not sure.
Evening ah, you want to eat laksa?
Oh, the bicycle one is here actually. This field, not the previous field. It's this field. Turn left. Let's see, bicycle shop open or not. Just want to look at bicycles. This one. Not open. Nope.
Where is the bicycle shop?
Not open. No, I don't see anybody. Here.
Yeah.
Closed already.
They dare not open lah because it's not
It's not essential.
essential. You go and see.
Go straight.
Go and see
No,
the
no, no.
bicycle.
Can if I don't see anything, what's the point? There's not. You can't see anything.
You can't go
You
in.
can't go in. You can't see anything. There's no point. That's why no point going out to shop. Can't see your product. No use. Turn right. And turn right.
You mean 100 dishes one?
80 dishes.
No more.
No. 80 dishes.
Restaurant Chong.
Go into that. Go into that. Restaurant Chong. Go straight, turn right, turn left. Turn right and turn left.
Turn back.
Turn right and turn left.
Turn right first.
Right is at your right, left is on your left.
You want to eat something?
No, I'm just riding around. That's all. There's not anything specific. Coconuts to sell. Asam laksa is closed already. Here got the
Ipoh fried chicken.
wonky
Nona
bean curd.
kueh,
One
Nyonya
bean
kueh.
curd.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you can go anywhere you want.
Buy food only.
Buy what food? Now it's so early. Now you buy your chap fan, by the time you go back home, hungry, soggy already.
Now I'm hungry already.
Oh, you hungry?
Yeah, no.
Of course not.
屋企冇嘢食啊，要煮新嘅菜。
KFC?
What 啊？
No. you want KFC, go ahead. Buy.
You want to buy from this Ritz Bana. They open already. Lenovo. One shop or not?
I'm not hungry. Okay, if you want to buy, go ahead, buy lah. But the food will be there for 1 or 2 hours. Yeah, they will ting it again. Ting it at 7 p.m. 2 hours later. You want to buy, go ahead.
What else to eat?
Yeah, you're buying, buy for me the kulo yok. Kulo yok.
Cinnamon cake. One. Don't have to cook. Okay.
Thì thấy chị đó chứ.
Yao rồi. They don't come out here one.
Just park here simply lapik.
Here.
It's good that I don't need to park.
You wanna eat? Oh my, cannot eat.
I'm not hungry.
Drink, I mean.
No. We did not visit any graveyards.
What's it got to do with graveyard?
You want to drink, ma?
Drink what?
I thought you said you wanted to drink something.
Drink from graveyard?
No, drink to ward off the evil spirits.
No lah. I think every time like that, man.
Don't know. Hey, where's my hand? Feels a bit drizzly, which is good. Let's see what kind of chap fun or Chinese fast food we can eat. Let's see. L&L. There's one action camera or something like GoPro that I'm interested in. It's called DJI Action Osmo. Very good stabilization, can walk around without making your viewers puke. Oh, very quiet. South Point wonton mee, some fried chicken there. Oh, it's open actually. Western food is open for takeaways, all takeaways. Hong Ming Fung mixed rice. Yeah, kulo yok mo. Oh, yeah, kulo yok.
No.
There. Shit, I also don't know what. I think I have this and that. Dabao ah. I think I have the Japanese tofu and the kulo yok.
Veggie also ah.
Veggie? What veggie?
Eh, so many veggie.
Oh. Kulo yok ah. 日本豆腐。嗰個咩菜嚟嘅？嗰個青色嘅。菜膽啊，菜膽。缽粥。我哋。
Then I buy for
有咖喱汁冇啊？呢個 fish， 呢個魚啊，雞啊，looks like fish， 係咪？夠啦，
愛兩包，
多兩包。
多兩包。
Oh, that's a nice looking. Haven't tasted last taste hot pot. But it's a nice looking window for all the ingredients. One day must try when everything is when you can dine in. Nowadays you can't dine in. It's already been what, 1 month MCO 3.0. That sucks balls. Can't eat outside at all. Java me is there. So like doing videos, right? I walk around and it's not stable. It's not stable at all. It's not so good. So I look at some of the Japanese walk arounds and ask the YouTuber, how come your video is so smooth? You don't have the motion sickness. You don't have the motion sickness bobbing around stuff. So I asked them, did they use like a gimbal to like smooth out the videos bumping around. They say, oh, it's using DJI Osmo Action. It costs around 1,000 ringgit. They say you walk around, it really smooths everything out. So it's 1,000 ringgit for a small little thing. The battery will last 1 hour, hopefully, at 4K, and with the Rock Steady, which is a program that stabilizes the video. So my dream camera, what's the point of my dream camera, which is the Sony, what's it called? Sony something that costs about 3,800 to 4,000 ringgit for the stabilization, which is mechanical, and the camcorder is huge. Shit, I forgot what's the name of the Sony something. What number and serial forgot already. It's a huge ass camcorder. And 4,000 ringgit, and this small little plastic thing, DJI Osmo Action, 1,000 ringgit. I don't like the fact that I had to change the atmosphere or the... Oh, it's kind of nice looking, what you call, plants everywhere and flowers and stuff. Change the ecosystem. The battery is a small little battery. I want a bigger battery which can last for 3 hours. How much is it?
How much you? $12. How much you spend just now?
Don't know.
Give back.
Later?
No, later lah. Now. Give back.
I know.
$20
What do you want to cover?
Cover all you buy lah.
Mouse also?
Sure can, why not?
Oh,
$30.
I don't know.
How much is that? Just now you paid.
$10 for shovel, 5 ringgit for lighters, 2 lighters, actually 5 ringgit, and a bottle of liquid that burns, and 12 ringgit for the mouse. 17 plus 10, 27. Nah. Thank you. Money is money. What for?
Nah, actually.
What?
27 lah.
Oh, whatever.
Yeah, money is useless.
When you're in hell.
When you are so old, money is useless. You have everything already.
$1,000.
What you want is some peace and quiet and a good life. Food every day. That's all.
Food?
What more do you want? Legs are bad.
Mango.
Legs are bad.
Mango is quite...
You see,
But
if I cut one branch, I go home and...
Cannot plant like you think you can kachok so easily, man.
Let me see my pomelo. I kachok dua already.
And what's the point? You're still planting it in a pot. It will be stunted forever like that. Like so.
Pot?
You have to plant it on solid ground, then it will grow.
It's the old tree. I put in new thing into the old tree.
Why am I holding this camera?
You understand me?
No.
You know, grafting.
Yeah, kachukan. I know kachuk is 2 plus 1.
You see, I cut a branch
two.
And I
one
cut
plus
off
one.
that branch from the tree. And then I slip it in now.
what's
Hey,
that?
slip it in. And I bind it.
Grafting.
That's grafting. See whether it's successful or not. I've done 2 on the pomelo tree. With my new pomelo tree in the
Actually, I
pot.
don't understand what you're talking about.
You can see
Are you-
above the...
You mean you scrape out the phloem
No.
and put some
It's not squirrel, I cut.
put some soil over it, then hopefully the
No. Not
roots are
that.
coming out.
Not that one.
Or taking one plant and putting it in another plant.
Then the branch, I cut off the branch from the old tree branch. Then I put in a new branch like that. Same. See whether it amalgamate. You understand?
See whether it survives and stick to another organism.
Yeah. See whether the two meet or not. If it meets and then new shoots come out, oh, successful. Learn from Gardening Australia. So you can have a tree with a lot of different fruits. That's why I'm interested in cutting people's branches, twigs. I have a mango tree that doesn't produce any because this is from India. The fruit is from India. Now the tree is so big and old and no fruit coming out. I'm going to do it. Oh, what's that?
The reflectors. You install reflectors in the middle. See the reflectors? It's not a highway here. No point.
This is an important road because you see there's a community there. Take a walk with a pair of shears. You can cut people's outside fruit trees. Come home and do something.
No, I'm fixing up the side of the drain.
How?
By removing it and making it straight again.
Oh,
And making it higher with some newly acquired bricks.
where do you get the bricks?
Tambun. Yesterday I rode my motorcycle there, so I took back home about 8-10 bricks, clay bricks. Because the shop, one of the shops are like demolished already, so there's some clay bricks here and there. I picked them up.
Stuck with cement one.
No, those I avoid. It will take a lot of work to separate them. Now there's one chunk of there's some of those bricks that are tied together like next to the gate one. But you want to get it individually out, it's very hard. You have to use a sledgehammer.
Okay, it's my turn.
Today is like cloudy all the time, but it won't rain. So what's the ideal price for kampung durian?
Kampung durian should be less than 15 lah.
Less than 15. How much
Ah.
less?
As long as you like it, less than 15. This one 18 is expensive.
Just now you cut the price for the fruits. I scared you might actually make the fella bankrupt.
Make the fellow bankrupt.
Mm.
The fellow make me bankrupt.
You say the fruits are quite cheap. Right?
Left this on.